To purchase a DoorDash gift card, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Navigate to the main menu and look for the Gifts section. This is typically found in the bottom navigation or main menu area. Once in the Gifts section, select Send a Gift Card to begin the purchase process. Choose from preset amounts including $15, $25, $50, $100, $200, or $500. You can also enter a custom amount if needed. Next, add the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also personalize your gift with a custom message and choose when to deliver it. Finally, complete your purchase using your stored payment methods. The app supports various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. As of August 2025, DoorDash has enhanced its mobile app interface for gift card purchases, offering expanded denomination options and improved instant delivery features. To redeem your DoorDash gift card, start by logging into your DoorDash account. Navigate to the Credits and Promos section where you'll enter your gift card code. Once redeemed, your gift card balance automatically applies to future orders. The system supports partial redemption, so any remaining balance stays in your account for later use. Gift card users tend to spend 23% more per order than average customers, making them valuable for both recipients and DoorDash. Keep in mind that gift cards have some limitations. They cannot be used for alcohol purchases in most markets and have no cash redemption value. However, they don't expire and provide a convenient way to enjoy DoorDash services.